The Heating, Ventilation, Air Conditioning, and Refrigeration, or HVAC program, focuses on the residential and commercial aspects of building management and operation, with an emphasis on hands-on training using the most up-to-date professional training simulators and technology available. Students have an opportunity to work with highly trained and experienced professional instructors, specializing in related areas. JJC provides students with the opportunity to work on Will County Habitat for Humanity projects for college credit, offering hands-on experience in residential HVAC systems. As part of this program, students gain experience with HVAC system installation and duct layouts. The AAS program offers students excellent employment opportunities in the following related areas: service technician, building service engineer, air balancing technician, supervision, or HVAC contractor/owner.